try to be very brief. It's more just to introduce us to
Just by show of hands, who knows what metadata is?
okay.
Who can tell us what metadata is?
Okay.
Yeah, good. Now we're at the back.
Everyone, Zamama Sego here, aka DJ Camp from New Life Entertainment. According to my understanding, metadata was speaking of data for the music, which is your codes. We normally have what we call codes, IRCC codes. Look identifier ukuthi le ngoma le i-code yayo ithini, i-order lekule ngoma ngubani, composer ngubani, and under what record. So normally metadata iba indlule kanjalo bese ke sokuba ukuthi you have to be specific about ukuthi leyo ngoma lokhuluma ngayo in how many minutes, what type of genre it is. Kahle kahle nje it's the data on the music created. Yeah, I think that's that.
No, because it's a representation.
Visuals communication.
Together we can eliminate communication barriers.